back to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a super quick and easy hearty vegan breakfast sandwich. Here are the ingredients we'll need. First, you'll need 1 toasted English muffin, 4 to 5 sliced bella mushrooms, 1/4 of a red bell pepper sliced and diced, 1/4 cup of spinach, 1/2 of an avocado, 1 block of extra firm tofu, which I'll show you how to prepare in a second, some ketchup, vegan mayo, and mustard, some sea salt, black pepper, turmeric, onion powder, garlic powder, and paprika. First, you're going to take a clean kitchen towel and then place the tofu in the middle of it. Then you're going to wrap it up like a Christmas package and squeeze it from every single side as hard as you can. The goal here is to remove all the excess water from the tofu. Next, you're going to cut the tofu into quarters. Since this recipe is for 1 person, you can keep 1/4 for yourself and set aside the rest. And now, using the flat edge of your knife, you're going to gently mash the tofu. And then you're going to chop it up just a little bit more. You don't want it to be too fine. This is what's going to give it that egg-like texture. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to a pan over medium-high heat. Next, add your bell pepper and mushrooms. Let that saute for about 5 minutes. Now go ahead and add in your tofu. Now we're going to add all our spices. I usually add 1 to 2 dashes of turmeric, and then about a 1/2 teaspoon of all the other spices. Stir fry that for 5 to 7 minutes. Now add in your spinach and stir it up until it's nice and wilted for about 1 to 2 minutes. Start scooping your tofu veggie scramble onto your toasted English muffin. Don't worry if not all of it makes it onto the muffin. This is more of an abstract, Picasso type of sandwich. Now we're going to add your ketchup, mayo, and mustard. Side note, I never liked regular mayonnaise very much, but for some reason I really love vegan mayonnaise. I go through at least like 1 jar a month. And now for the pièce de résistance, we will top it off with some avocado slices. And there you have a quick and easy vegan breakfast sandwich that takes less than 10 minutes to make. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button for more content. Also leave a like and a comment down below. Let me know if you tried this recipe. Until next time, take care and take heart.